time to climb up. What did you get, huh? गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी, हैप्पी सैटरडे, जय श्री राम। आज मज़ा आने वाला है क्योंकि बहुत टाइम के बाद आज एक बड़ी ग्रुप राइड कर रहे हैं। ये किसी मतलब जैसी लास्ट मैंने एक्सक्लाइन के साथ में बड़ी ग्रुप राइड की थी, उसमें लगभग कितने 25 से 30 लोग आए थे, बट देन वो एक्सक्लाइन ग्रुप के साथ में था और उसमें सभी लोग अनजाने थे। ये जो अपने क्लोज फ्रेंड्स का ग्रुप है, अगर आप इस चैनल पे पहले वीडियोस देखे हैं, आपने देखा है अगर, तो जो यूजुअल सस्पेक्ट है जी, योगी, आयु, वीरू, डॉक्टर, सतीश, साइन.com, अमरीश, कई लोग को आपने देखा होगा, कई लोग को आपने नहीं देखा होगा। आज जो राइड है उसमें सभी लोग आ रहे हैं, 8 लोग हैं सिवाय आयुब के। आयुब को कुछ कमिटमेंट्स है बिकॉज ऑफ विच ही इज़ नॉट एबल टू ज्वाइन। और आयुब की सबसे अच्छी बात क्या है कि अगर आप उससे कभी भी पूछेंगे ना क्या राइड करना है, राइड करेंगे क्या, वो मना नहीं करेगा कभी। ही वुड नेवर से नो, ही वुड ओनली से या वी कैन राइड ब्रो। जब उसने कहा, जब भी उसने ऐसा कहा वी कैन राइड ब्रो, इसका मतलब कि भाई मैं नहीं आ सकता हूँ, वो डायरेक्टली मना नहीं करता कभी। तो वो सब सेकेंडरी। एनीवेज, अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं वायनाड। उधर पे लक्कीडी करके एक जगह है, आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ आई एम प्रोनाउंसिंग इट राइट, लक्कीडी आई बिलीव। सो ट्रिप को 0 सेट कर दिया था। व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड एट होम, फ्रॉम होम इट वाज लाइक 0, नाउ इट इज 7.5 किलोमीटर्स। टाइम हो रहा है 6:20। राइट पे अभी जा रही है एक्सपल्स, मेरे पीछे आ रहे हैं shine.com। मिरर बहुत गंदा है, गाड़ी साफ करने का टाइम नहीं मिला। योग्स लेकर के आया है बड़ी महंगी वाली, अगर आपको नहीं मालूम, बड़ी महंगी वाली BMW. Sadly, we cannot take the expressway because it is 2-wheelers and 3-wheelers and all these things are not allowed. Government को लगता है कि 2-wheelers slow जाती हैं। यार हम लोग की गाड़ियाँ तेज़ चलती हैं, कोई अलाउ कर सकते थे। बाप रे, सर्विस रोड लेकर के मैसूर पहुँचने में प्राण निकल गए। Like so many speed breakers, oh God. कहाँ से ब्लॉग बनाए इंसान। 150 किलोमीटर्स, एटलीस्ट 150 स्पीड ब्रेकर्स। We are officially in Kerala. That is the check post. I think अभी पुलिस वाले जो वहाँ पर खड़े हैं प्रॉब्ली रोक करके बाइक का कुछ लगेज चेक करेंगे। Let's see if they stop us. So there is no jugaad to mount the camera, not on the helmet, not on the body, not on the bike as well. Don't know what to do. We'll figure it out. Take wide, go wide. Go wide, okay? What, did you get hurt? First casualty. Sorry, I could not record because, as I said, in Kerala state, you cannot mount action cameras, GoPros, whatever, on the helmet, on the chest, body, anywhere. And I did not have a front, what is that called? The sticky mount for GoPro, I did not have it. लगभग आधा किलोमीटर से ज़्यादा आ चुके हैं। ये है रोड, ये रोड जा रही है ऊपर, दिस इज द रोड। जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी। Hey, good job Akshata, brilliant work. Stand up, बेहतरीन। अब करेंगे एडवेंचर। मस्त अंधेरा हो चुका है, ठीक ठाक, काफी अंधेरा ही है। और अभी जा रहे हैं डाउन हिल कुछ स्नैक्स खरीदने। हम लोग ने उम्मीद नहीं थी कि इतना लेट हो जाएगा हम लोग को, काफ़ी लेट हो गया है आने में, क्योंकि मैसूर रोड में वो ब्रेकर्स, उसके बाद फिर हम लोग ने काफ़ी सारे ब्रेक्स ले लिए, यहाँ वहाँ लंच करने में काफ़ी टाइम लग गया क्योंकि बहुत रश था। Alright, so it's raining already and what's the time? Around it's 7:30 right now, and we are heading to a place which is nearby. I think it's about a kilometer or so, less than a kilometer I believe, and it's a little uphill. So yeah, that's a viewpoint, and not sure how much of a view will we get because it's raining. It has been raining since yesterday. It's raining quite hard, so I believe that the road would be a little too intimidating. There would be a lot of slush is what I'm expecting, but yeah, for now let's go to this place. We'll come back, we'll have breakfast, and then we'll proceed back to Bangalore. But let's go to this off-road. There's a lot of walk, it's all uphill. This place where we are staying, it's in Luckidi. There's a place called Luckidi in Wayanad. Let me quickly show you how does the road look like, the uphill climb where we are going. This is the hotel we are staying, and idhar se aaye the. This is where we came from, and this is uphill. So you have this Orange Wood Rain Country Resorts. This is what we planned to book in the beginning, this Rain Country Resort, but then sadly it was full. And because this is very close, the Rain Country Resort, I think it's hardly a kilometer, less than a kilometer from that viewpoint. And the place where we're staying is this Brookside Luckidi. And yeah, let's go uphill and let's see what do we find there. You go. Oh, you're recording me. I want to go a little faster. Let's go. Xpulse. Right. What is it? Oh, this is a nice train. This is actually a train. All over the place, left, right. Sadly, we could not go to that Luckidi viewpoint because that property owner, what's it called, Rainbow County something, he did not allow us. So because it's a private property and he did not allow, so we could not go any further. He could have gone to the unnecessary. He's saying there is some function going on. It's a public place, just that it's inside their own property. He did not allow. But this trail is quite beautiful. Everyone else is gone, so I think we'll go back as well. And the 390's tire is not getting enough traction, so that's another problem. But yeah, I think that's it. I have been waiting to meet them for such a long time. These sweet little leeches. Look at these beautiful little things trying to climb up. See? Here. These are my best friends. They're trying to climb up on my jacket. And there were a few on my shoe as well. Let me see if they are still there. Oh yeah, there they are. Easy. Hello. Chalo jao, bahut hua. It was. Oh, there are a few here on my face. एक इधर जाओ बे, बहुत हुई दोस्ती, चलो. Alrighty folks, the ride finally comes to an end. I just realized that leeches love Doctor more than me. There were almost like 10-15 leeches on his bike. There was nothing on mine, so apparently looks like they love him more. चलो डॉक्टर का होम लगा दिए मैप में. 315 किलोमीटर दिखा रहा है. 6 घंटे मतलब 8 मान लो. क्या टाइम हो रहा है अभी? 11:30 लगभग. 7 o'clock तक पहुंचेंगे होपफुली. Was nice. I wish we could have explored that trail where me and Doc went, but sadly his KTM Adventure 390's rear tire was not getting enough traction. That's a known problem with them, the Mozilla Taurons. It does good on tarmac, both dry and wet, but then when the stuff gets a little nasty, especially when it's slush or when it is we have to ride over grass. Usually most of the tires that lose traction, they struggle to get traction on the grass, but surprisingly the C8 was doing quite good and I wanted to explore further. But anyways, good part is it was a monsoon ride and we got to witness a decent amount of rain. काफ़ी देर बारिश हुई. इनफैक्ट वायनाड में जब तक थे तभी बारिश हो रही थी, फिर जब वो फॉरेस्ट एरिया में थे बंडीपुरा में तभी बारिश हो रही थी. It was quite good. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We did it thoroughly. We thoroughly enjoyed it. Everybody rode very well. Akshata, she rode so well. It's not a short distance, like 600 plus kilometers. It's a good amount of distance considering how stiff the suspension of Aerox is. She did well. Yogs with his GS. Shine.com, it was his first ride with us. Everybody did so well during the ride. और अपना क्या है, अपन तो ऐसे बैजू बावरा हैं, बैरागी हैं, भागते रहते हैं. यहाँ भटकने का काम ही अपना. So yeah, that is it my dear friends. Thank you very much for taking your time. It was an amazing time. I'll see you guys again in another ride video. Until then, stay safe, ride safe, and God bless you all. क्या बाबा ट्रैक्टर उड़ा रहा है. ओ देखो, शाबाश, सब जोश में है आज. See you guys. Bye bye.